Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, you cannot become happy. These boys and these girls, American, European, they have tasted all this motor car civilization. They have tasted very nicely. Motor car, night club and drinking, they have tasted very nicely. There is no happiness. Therefore they have come to Krishna consciousness. Therefore, na sato vidyati bhava, na bhava vidyati sata. Abhava. And sata. So, we are unhappy on account of our accepting asat, which will not exist. That is the description given by Prahlad Maharaj. Sada samudvigna dhiyam asad grahat. Sada samudvigna dhiyam. We are always anxious, full of anxiety. That's a fact. Every one of us, full of anxiety. Why? Asad grahat. Because we have accepted this material body. Asad grahat. Tatsad manne suravajya dehinam sada samudvigna dhiyam. Dehinam. Dehinam means deha, dehi, we have already discussed. Dehi means the proprietor of the body. So everyone is dehi, either animal or human being or tree or anyone. Every living entity has accepted a material body. Therefore they are called dehi. So dehina, every dehi, because he has accepted this material body, he is always full of anxiety. So we cannot be anxiety-free unless we come to Krishna consciousness. That is not possible. You have to become Krishna conscious, Brahma Bhuta, Prasannatma, immediately you become anxiety-free. If you don't come to the platform of Krishna consciousness, always be full of anxieties. Sada samudvigna dhiyam asad grahat. Hityatma patam grihanda kupam vanangato jad harimasayata. That is Prahlad Maharaj giving us direction that if you want to get relief from this status of anxiety, sada samudvigna dhiyam, then hityatma ghatam grihanda kupam. Griha anda kupam. Griha means there are so many meanings, especially it is meant home. Homesick. Our Vedic civilization is that they drive away from home, go away from home, to take sannyas, to take a vanaprastha, not to remain up to the last point of death as family member, grandfather did that. That is not our Vedic civilization. As soon as one is little grown up, panchasodham balang brajet, he must get out from this griya anda kupam. Griya anda kupam, if we discuss, said where it may be very unpalatable. But we have to discuss from Shastra. What is griha? Griha, it is another word, it is called anganasrayam. Angana means woman. To live under the protection of wife. Anganasrayam. So Shastra recommends that you give up this anganasrama to go to the Paramahamsa ashram. Then your life will be saved. Otherwise, as Prahlad Maharaj says, grihanda kupam, if you keep yourself always in this dark well of so-called family life, then you will never be happy. Atmaghatam means you will never be able to understand spiritual life. Of course, not always. But generally who are too much attached to family life or extended family life, then society life, then community life, then national life, then international life, they are all griha-andhapupam, all griha-andhapupam.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna